Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a festive Merry Christmas scene right inside Roblox Studio. Let's get started. First, open Roblox Studio and create a new empty baseplate project. This gives us a clean canvas to start building our Christmas world. Next, open the Toolbox and search for the keyword snow. Find a snowy skybox and drag it into the game to give the environment a cold winter atmosphere. Now, grab a snow floor from the toolbox, drag it into the world and scale it up to cover the entire map. This will be your snowy ground. To make the scene feel alive, search for falling snow particle and drag it into the game. Position it high above the map for a snowfall effect. Now let's make things festive. Search the toolbox for Merry Christmas. Drag a Merry Christmas model into your scene to add a holiday centerpiece. You can also add a 3D Merry Christmas text for an extra decorative touch. Next, add some fun vehicles. Start with a Merry Christmas themed car from the toolbox. Let's expand the scene by adding more vehicles, such as a plane, some sports cars, and other winter-themed rides. To build the town, search for snow-themed buildings, like a snow cabin, and drag it onto the map. Go inside the cabin and place tables and other interior decorations to make it feel warm and cozy. Now add a Merry Christmas bus model to bring more personality to the scene. Place a Merry Christmas house to fill out your winter village. No Christmas scene is complete without a Merry Christmas tree. Place it at the center of your map or near the cabin. To finish the scene, drop in a few more supercars to give players fun vehicles to drive around. Perfect. Everything is ready. Let's test. And that's it. Your Merry Christmas scene in Roblox Studio is ready. Feel free to customize it even more with lights, music, or NPCs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox Studio creation guides. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas!